In this video, I will show you how to retarget your audience when running Facebook ads. Without wasting time, let me show you the step-by-step process. Open your Meta Ads Manager dashboard, then hover your mouse on this left-hand side and you'll see all the tools right here. Click on Audiences. Here you will see all the audiences you have ever set on this ad account. Okay, to create new audience, you will come over here where you see this Create Audience button. We want to create retargeting audience. Okay, to create new audience, come over here. You will see this Create Audience button, right? Now, for you to retarget your audience, these people are your warm audience. That is those who have come in contact with your brand before, right? And your warm audience here, we are talking about custom audience and look-alike audience, okay? Your custom audience are those who have already shown interest in your business or product with custom audience, okay? So you can create an audience from your customer list, website, traffic, mobile app, your Facebook page, Instagram page, different sources, which I will show you as we progress, okay? And another type of retargeting audience is what we call the look-alike audience. The look-alike audience simply means those who look like the custom audience, right? Just as the name implies. I will show you as we progress in this video. Before I continue, just like this video, click the like button down below. Have you done that now? All right, let's continue. So now the first thing is to create this custom audience, right? So if I click on custom audience now, you are going to see all the custom audience sources here. The first one, you see website. So in case you have a website and you've been running out to your website, you can retarget those who have visited your website before, right? So there are sometimes that you will click on somebody's ad on Facebook or Instagram, and that person is going to retarget you. That is, you are going to be seeing the person's ad again whenever you turn to Instagram or Facebook. The person is retargeting you and is using this custom audience to retarget you. That is the website source. So the person is using website. The same thing with app. If you have ever visited some applications like Jumia and Temu, other different applications, and they want to retarget you with ad, provided you have opened their app or downloaded their app or done any activity on the app, they can retarget you, okay? And you'll be seeing their ads all over the place. This is the kind of targeting that they are using, okay? I hope you are following. The other one is catalog. If you ever open any catalog on their app or website, then we have customer lists here. These customer lists are those who have bought from you, right? They submitted their name, their phone number, their email address to you. Those who bought, you can upload that list here and you retarget them back if you're selling a similar product or you want them to restock that product, okay? Then there are other ones here which we call meta sources. These are meta sources for custom audience, and here you have video. So even if you don't have a website, you can retarget those who have watched your video before. So if you have a particular video on your page that is gaining a lot of traction, you can retarget those who have watched that particular video and sell your item, your product or service to them. So video is another source of retargeting. Then lead form. This is for those who have been running lead generation campaign. So whoever that has filled that form, you can retarget that person. It could be that person did not buy at that time, okay? So you can use this lead form to retarget that person. We have instant experience, shopping, Instagram accounts. These are those who have visited or come in contact with your Instagram accounts. You can retarget them, right? Then we have events, also Facebook page and on page. Let's go with Facebook. Okay, let me show you some examples. Let me select video. Now I will show you how you can retarget using this video as your source. So if you select video here, down below you will see the next button. Click on next. It will open up like this. The first thing they will ask you is to choose an engagement type. So you will come to this place. There's a drop down button. Click on the drop down button and you can choose people who have viewed at least 10 seconds of your video. Okay, you can choose those who have viewed at least 3 seconds depending on the length of your video and depending on the kind of audience you want. If you want those who have shown very good interest in that video, then you can choose like 25% and above, okay? So if I choose those who have watched at least 25% of my video, or if I choose, let me just say 15 seconds. If it is a 1 minute video, I can choose 15 seconds, okay? Or if it is 1 minute plus, I can just choose this 15 seconds. Then you click on this done button down below. Then the next thing you will see here is audience retention. That is 365 days. So if it is something that I have done for long, I can leave it at 365 days, or If it is those who have watched that video for the past 1 month, you can select 30 days. 30 days is 9 months, or 60 days 2 months, depending on the particular video you want. Then the next thing is to give your custom audience a name. I can call it video through play as the name of the audience. That is those who have watched my video. Then description is optional. One thing I didn't do here is to select the particular videos that I want to generate this audience from. So I'll come back here. Look at this place at the top here where you see engagements. You will see select videos here. So I'll click here to select the video. It will open up like this. This is the video sources. Under video sources, you will see Facebook page. So in case the video you want to select is not on Facebook, you can click on this drop down button here and you will see other sources. So if it is on Instagram professional account, just go to Instagram. If it is on campaign, just go there. If you want to use a particular video ID, then input the video ID here. So mine is on Facebook page, so I'll select Facebook page, right? Then come over here, you will see Facebook page name here. In case you have more than one Facebook page, just click on this drop down button here and select the particular Facebook account you want to use. I have different pages here, so let me leave it at this, right? I will scroll down here and I will select the videos that I want to use for this. I can select first one, second one, third one. You can select as many videos that you want to retarget those who have watched that video or not. Okay, after selecting all the videos that you want, there is a confirm button down below. Click on confirm, then scroll down and you will see create audience button down below. Click on create audience, and with that you have created your custom audience. Okay, now let me quickly show you how to create the lookalike audience, which is also a retargeting audience. Before then, if you're getting value from this video, the best you can do is just to like this video and drop a comment below. Have you done that now? All right, let's continue. Now, the lookalike audience, like I said earlier, are people who look like the custom audience. So here you will see create lookalike audience. You see that button right here? Click on it. And we are generating this lookalike audience from the custom audience we just created. Remember, I save it with video through play. That's the name here. The next thing is to search your audience location. I will input Nigeria here because I am targeting Nigeria. Okay, if yours is not Nigeria, you can select the country. If it is US or whatever, select the country, but I will select Nigeria because my own audience is Nigerians. Then the next thing is to select your audience size. You will see one copy here. I want to generate one copy of this audience. Then the next thing is the percentage. Now let me show you something. This percentage simply means the closer to the lookalike. If you select up to 5%, it will take you to people who will be too far from the actual custom audience. And I don't want people that will be too far from the custom audience. I want people that look more like the custom audience, right? That's why I'm selecting just 1%. And with just 1%, you can see here that I'll be getting 543,000 persons. Okay, so I just select 1% here and I will scroll down. The next thing here is to click on this create audience button down below. When you click on this create audience, you will have generated your lookalike audience. You can see it has been created as fast as possible. Now let me quickly show you how to use this custom and lookalike audience that you have just generated now when you're running your Facebook ad. So just hover your mouse on this left hand side, go to campaigns. When you click on campaigns, it will take you to your campaign interface here. Go ahead and click on this create button. You know how you run your ad now. I have several videos on how to run Facebook ad on this channel. So after watching this one, just go there and watch those videos. It will help you. Okay. Now, if you're running sales ad, you can use this sales or you use engagement and optimize for message destination if you don't have a website. Okay. So let me just select engagement here. You can use any objective depending on what you want to achieve. Okay, after selecting that, I'll click on this continue button down below. As I'm teaching, if there's something you don't understand, just comment below and I'll attend to your question. Okay, I like selecting manual campaign, so I'll select manual here and click on the continue button down below. As usual, you are going to name your campaign, but I'll not do all that because you already know. Let me go straight to show you how to use that custom and lookalike audience you just created. Okay, so I'll click on next because you know audience is at the ad set level. Okay, at ad set level here, you will still use the same name you use for your campaign right here at ad set name. Then scroll down At the conversion location, you can select WhatsApp because people are more active on WhatsApp than Messenger here in Nigeria, okay? You set other things like budget, date, and all that. Then scroll down and you will see audience right here. Go to switch to original audience options. You will see that right here. Click on it, then use original audience. Under audience, you are going to see create audience and you will see use saved audience. We want to create audience from our custom and lookalike audience, okay? So under custom audiences here, there's a search bar right here. Click on this search bar and you will see the custom and lookalike audience you just created. You can see mine here. So I will select them. You can see that the two audiences have entered, right? If you have any question, comment below. And the best you can do if you want to learn more about social media marketing, so subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my important videos.